Hi, my name is Catherine Autry, and I'm the Student Recruitment Manager at Peninsula College. And today I'll be giving a short tutorial on how to self-schedule an advising appointment through our program called Navigate. Today I'm on our main page, our pinnacle.edu website page, and you can find our Navigate link either by searching in the search engine here, or you can scroll down and see in our quick links our Navigate link. To log in, you will need your student ID number and global PIN, which is your birth date, in this format, 2 for the month, 2 for the day, and 2 for the year. Today we'll be using a test site so that you can see what it looks like once you get into Navigate. Once you log in, you'll be brought to your main page. You can navigate over to Appointments, this appointment link right here. As you can see, I have previously canceled a few appointments. To schedule an appointment, I'll just click Schedule Appointment. Then you get to select what type of appointment it is. Today, we will be scheduling an academic advising appointment so that you can register for classes. You'll then need to select what type of student you are. Today, we are going to select a returning student. You then click Continue. You need to pick an appointment, or excuse me, a location for your appointment. This can be an online virtual appointment through a Zoom call or a phone appointment. Today, we're going to select phone appointment. You then get to pick who you would like to meet with. It will go by their availability, so you can select multiple advisors if you'd like. Next, you'll pick the time. As you can see, there are no available appointment times this week, so we will need to look into next week. You can see that these boxes have now turned blue, indicating that there is an appointment available. I'm going to select Wednesday. I can then select before noon or afternoon, and the appointment times that are available will show up here. I'm going to select afternoon and pick an afternoon appointment. You can see that once I select an appointment, the continue to next step turns blue. This is then confirming my appointment. It shows what type of student I am, when the appointment will be, what time, and who will be the advisor that I will be talking to. It also lets you know what type of appointment you selected, in this case, a phone appointment. You can add any comments or things that you would like to discuss with your advisor here. And you can also select to get a reminder either through email, through text, or both. You'll want to make sure that you put your phone number in this box here so that you will get that reminder. Once you are ready to go, you can just click Confirm Appointment, and it will then show you that your appointment has been scheduled. You can select Done, and it will show you that your upcoming appointment is right here, and you can view those details as well. If you need to cancel an appointment, you can just click Cancel Appointment. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can either contact our Student Services front desk, or you can contact us at discoverpc@pinnacle.edu. Thank you for watching and have a great day.